Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a song in Donna AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so you've gone ahead and downloaded and installed Donna AI. From here, we want to go ahead and log in or sign up. Then you should be taken to this page that looks similar to this. So from here, we want to describe the song. Now you want to be specific in your prompts. The more detailed you include, like genre, mood, tempo, or theme, the better tailored your song will be. And try and use your own lyrics. So if you want a personal touch, provide your own words. This helps Donna capture your unique voice. And stick to common song structures. For example, prompt Donna to follow formats like verse, chorus, bridge to make the songs feel more organic. And we can also create multiple versions, so don't settle on the first draft. Experiment with different moods or descriptions to refine the final piece. Now in saying that, we want to go ahead and describe the song. Scroll down, click on happy, confident, motivation. I'm going to keep this as happy. Now describe the song. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to keep it short, sharp, and sweet. So give me an upbeat song for my YouTube vlog. I'm going to keep it happy, and now I want this to be funk. And then if we click onto advanced features, we can scroll down here, give this song a name. I'm just going to call this YouTube song, and I want vocals to be included. But if you don't want vocals, you can toggle that off. Vocal gender, which is optional. I'm going to make this a male singer. And then what type of recording do you want? Do you want studio or a live concert feel? Then from here, just go ahead and click onto studio, then click on create with description. And now because I'm on the free version, I've just created a song previously, so I'm not going to be able to do this without going to Donna Pro. So yeah, that's basically how to create a song inside Donna AI.